Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have C.R.O, I'm not sure there, Let KILLAH with a song called Mi Culpa. So, I don't understand Spanish, like I said many times before, and just thought this was a cool vibe in this song, and just thought that, yeah, perhaps you want to have this pretty easy chord progression and strumming as well. So, perhaps somebody out there want this. So let's start. We have the K set here on the 2nd fret, and with that we have 4 different chords only. So a chord progression that makes up for 5 chords, but only 4 different. So let's start with the chords now. So we have the E minor first, that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So E minor, C, A minor, and D. Alright, so we need to look at the strumming here, and we will divide this one into 2 different parts. It's a pretty long one, but once you get it, yeah, it's kind of a great rhythm and you will have it there. So you learn it and then you pretty much got it, right? So let's look at one full strumming pattern round, and we'll have the E minor as the first chord, so grab that chord. One full round will be like this. Alright, so it will be for 2 parts. Let's learn the first part. It will be down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so short pause right after a clap, and then comes the down up. So down up, clap, down up. Again. Okay, and the second part will be played immediately after you finish the first part, and it will be up, clap, down, up. And if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds to get the idea of how it sounds when it goes. So now, final thing, let's look at the amount of times you're gonna play everything in the chord progression. So you're gonna play 1 full round of E minor, then 1 full round of C, then 1 full round of A minor, and then you're gonna play C part 1, so the down, up, clap, down, up, and then the D part 2, up, clap, up, down, up. So E minor 1, C 1, A minor 1, C part 1, D part 2, like this. That is what's going on through the entire song. So good luck with this one. Mi Culpa. Play tune.